Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill, we're making some amazingly delicious smoky buffalo leg quarters using the Slow & Sear travel kettle. And so just like always, I'm gonna put all the show notes as well as the full recipe in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this cook. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. Other than that, let's get into the cook. As I said, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I appreciate you being here. Today at the grill, we're gonna be making some delicious spicy chicken quarters, and we're gonna be cooking them on the Slow & Sear travel kettle. This is a brand new grill from S&S Grills, and this is an amazing little grill. It's similar to the larger Slow & Sear kettle, but a smaller footprint with all the same features. And I'll be doing a full review on the travel kettle in the near future, so make sure to click in the description box for a link when that comes out. And so to prepare these chicken quarters, what I'm going to do today is we're going to be using some Franks. I love Franks, my family loves Franks, and so this is a great option for you. We're just going to slather these chicken thighs, get a nice coating on this. Flip that over, and again, we're going to hit that underside as well. There we go. And so today I'm going to be seasoning it with my Postal Barbecue chicken rub. This stuff goes amazing on chicken. And so we're going to apply this to both sides. Here, we'll flip them over. We'll do the same to the other side. There we go. And so with our chicken quarters all seasoned up, let me show you how I'm going to set up the Slow & Sear travel kettle for cooking around 275 degrees. So to set up the Slow & Sear travel kettle today, I first of all placed in a lighter cube into the corner of the Slow & Sear basket, and then I filled up the remainder of the Slow & Sear basket with unlit briquettes, and then I let the briquettes that are in the corner of the Slow & Sear get fully lit. Once they're fully lit, I then closed up the lid and adjusted my top vent about a third of the way open, and my smoke hole also about halfway open. So with the Slow & Sear travel kettle all set up for cooking around that 275 degree mark, let's go ahead and get these chicken leg quarters onto the grill opposite the coals. And so next I'm going to take my thermometer, I'm going to place it through the probe port, and then I'm going to place that into the thickest part of this thigh. There we go. And then lastly, I'm going to add in a little bit of cherry wood onto the coals. Close that back up. All right, then I'm going to close up that lid, and we're going to begin smoking these chicken leg quarters around that 275 degree mark until they reach an internal temperature of 175 degrees. I've been smoking these chicken leg quarters for 1 hour and 15 minutes now, and the travel kettle has been holding its temperature rock steady around that 275 degree mark the entire time. We have just reached 165 degrees now, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the kettle. I'm going to add on a little bit more of that Frank's hot sauce just to add a little bit more of that spicy flavor. Guys, just look at the color of these chicken leg quarters. They are absolutely amazing. So let's grab our Franks, and I'm gonna just brush this onto the outside. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna quickly close up that lid again, and we're gonna let this continue to cook until it reaches that 175 degree mark. Then I'm gonna pull it off, and we'll get ready for the taste test. So our smoked chicken quarters took about 1 hour and 40 minutes using the Slow & Sear travel kettle, and the color and the aroma is absolutely amazing back here. You can really smell that Frank's coming through nicely, and I can't wait to go for the taste test. So I'm gonna grab this guy right here, and If you've been following along the channel, you know that this is one of my favorite pieces of meat, the chicken quarter, specifically this bite right here. Oh my goodness, it's so good. This is unreal. Oh my goodness. Seriously, that bite was incredibly delicious. You get that nice flavor from that Frank's hot sauce, as well as some of those savory components that is in the chicken rub that we placed on there as well. You get that bit of smoke from that cherry wood. You bring all that together and it's an absolute explosion of flavor. It's moist, it's tender, it's incredibly delicious. If you've never tried to do spicy chicken quarters like this before, make sure to give it a try because you won't be disappointed. So that's how you make those spicy and delicious buffalo leg quarters on the Kettle grill. Hey, if you want to see more barbecue videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Also, special thank you to all the patrons out there who help support this channel every single week. Until next time, keep that fire lit and get cooking.